So let's start today's class. A very
Yes, ma'am.
warm good afternoon, a pleasant,
Good
bright good
afternoon,
afternoon,
ma'am.
and wishing you loads of good vibes in this class that you'll be taking home today. An experience that you're going to remember. Each class will give you some memories, some take-home memories. Or since today is the assessment class, this will add on to your confidence. This will tell you where you are lacking, what you have gained, how much you have gained. So every question will give you a boost, will give you a push. So I said these are open-ended questions, and open-ended questions are you have to explain. You cannot answer yes, no. Yes, give reasons, no, give reasons. These are open-ended questions which needs a presentation, which needs an explanation. Your answers can be not more than 4 to 5 sentences. And I'm going to ask you 2 questions each, student. Fair enough?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The first to be interviewed is B2, roll number 51.
Yes, ma'am.
Some people there in the waiting room, so they need to enter the room also. All right. So, Shubhangi, how are you feeling today?
Fine, ma'am. I'm good. In fact,
I said, how are you feeling?
ma'am, actually, before your class, I also gave a one Viva. In fact, Silpi ma'am was service marketing, ma'am.
That's good. The more you give vivas, the more you are interviewed, the better you will be always. Right.
Yes, ma'am. In fact, I feel far better and more confident. In fact,
That you do not know what kind of questions we are going to put.
yes, ma'am.
So in English, nobody knows what questions are there in my mind, and I can change any question, I can flip any question, I can ask you whatever. I can take questions from your answers and ask you again. So there are going to be two questions which you are going to answer, and these are going to be open-ended questions. So Shivangi, the
Yes,
first question to you is: do you find it difficult to introduce yourself to people whom you do not know?
ma'am. Please repeat.
Do you normally find it difficult to speak to people or to introduce yourself to people whom you do not know, strangers?
No, no, ma'am. Actually, I don't find any difficulty to explain myself and explore myself because, ma'am, when I give an interview, I don't know who is he and who is she. If I am not able to explain myself, they will not able to know me and think that they will not able to how I am and what's my skills, what my technical skills. Yeah, in fact, ma'am, out about interviewer. In fact, I also feel my family. I'm not know everyone, but when I meet them, I explain myself very properly. I don't find any problem and in fact any
Uh,
difficulty.
Look, Shubhangi, communicating with people whom you already know, your family members, that's quite a different story. Like you can be very comfortable talking to them. But here the question is, do you feel comfortable and do you feel you're the same when you're talking to people whom you do not know?
But might be I am un- uncomfortable and might be I am comfortable. But basically, ma'am, when I face an interview, little bit I am uncomfortable because ma'am, I don't know what the question put on
Okay.
I faced and in fact,
Okay. So you mean to say that when you're talking to strangers, you cannot give 100% because you are self-conscious.
ma'am, I give my 100%, but I'm not sure they know me properly and what they judge me. That's
Okay.
why, ma'am, I am.
You do not know whether they have understood you or not, or
Yes,
whether
ma'am.
they have misunderstood you. So you are in some shady area when you speak to other people for fear
Yes,
of
ma'am.
being misunderstood, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, I have fear.
The next question is,
Yes, ma'am.
Shivangi, do you often get so lost in your thoughts that you ignore or forget your surroundings?
No, ma'am. I, in fact, I am a far friendly nature, but when I put my thoughts and I know everyone what they think and what they want, I will help them and I also follow their thoughts. But whenever whenever my thoughts, but they are not follow, might be I am miss and I am not satisfied, and might be I am
Okay,
they will not able to understand
I'll
me.
change the situation. Supposing you are so much lost, so much engrossed in yourself, so much involved in yourself that sometimes you forget the surroundings. Like if you're when you're so angry, you start losing your temper, or you cannot uh, you get a control on your emotions. You forget the surroundings. Does it happen?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have a that problem. When my might be I am emotional on that time. I can't control my emotion and
That's
just
right.
cry in front of anyone.
Okay, you do not you forget about where you are. Like you're not
Yes, ma'am.
the emotion takes the control over you. So yeah, you have a lesson to learn that in the business world there is no time for emotion.
In fact, I work on it, ma'am.
Yeah. You need to
I
work on it.
have to. I want to control my emotion and my feelings.
There is no room for emotion when you are at a working place. There may be
Yes,
time you really wanted to break down and cry. If it's going to happen, it happens with everybody. It happened with me. There's so many instances where I just thought no, and I cannot take it anymore. And then I said, but then suddenly this thing comes instantly. It comes that when you're working, emotions, you should keep a check on your emotions. The person sitting across you should not know what you're thinking. They should
yes,
not
ma'am.
read your mind. Do not be like an open book. Never be like an open book. Be friendly, but never be like an open book, and so that everybody can see what your thought process is. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep a
Yes, ma'am.
check even in your personal life. Why be like an open book? Be
So
mysterious.
basically, we are separate our personal life and our professional life.
No, even in personal life, you do not have to show all your cards.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep something private. Keep something just for yourself. So when you're feeling low or when your emotions are getting the best of you, quietly excuse yourself, go down, talk to
In fact,
people,
ma'am, I work on it. In
work
this
on it.
lockdown, even I work
Yes,
on it.
you shut yourself, you take a power nap, listen to some good music, talk to a friend
Yes, ma'am.
who's very close to you, and then within seconds it will go off, and then go back, join the group again.
Yes, ma'am.
So and now we have Komal.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Why this very lukewarm? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Komal,
Yes, ma'am.
this is better. Enthusiasm should never leave your tone. So when you are talking or when you're working, even when you're feeling upset, just now I said, do not ever leave enthusiasm behind because this is the only thing that will take you ahead. Komal, for you, the question is, do you try to respond to your emails as soon as possible and cannot stand a messy inbox?
Yes, ma'am.
You did not understand. Okay. Do you find, okay, do you try to respond to your emails as soon as possible? Because you cannot keep work pending.
Yes, ma'am. If the important emails are coming, I
Yeah,
first.
I did not say if. I did not say if. I
Okay,
said
ma'am.
emails. I did not say if there are any important emails coming, would you reply to them first? No.
Yeah.
I said, do
Email.
you respond to your emails, whatever it may be? I'm not talking about junk mails or spams. No.
Yes, ma'am. Emails are coming. I first responded some important emails, just like our related internship. This type of emails are coming, so I responded quickly. And are the some emails are not important for myself. That's I not responding quickly, and I leave that time.
Okay. Some emails you respond quickly. The reason behind? As
Because
soon
it is important. I think that if I'm not responding quickly, I forget them that times another times.
so you are forgetful, it means if you will not reply right away, you will forget.
Yes, ma'am.
In a business world, are you allowed to forget things?
No, ma'am. I'm not forget the things in business time.
Okay. Here we're talking about priorities and things which should be done at a proper time. You have to do it. So why don't you do it right away? Why wait? If you wait, you'll forget. Right?
Ma'am, I'm wait.
Hmm? If you wait long, you can forget, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm just saying that if that time I'm looking the emails, so I've responded. If I sometimes the network are not working, so I'm not see the emails
No, I'm
and
not talking about the technical glitches. I'm talking about your attitude, your mentality. Like as soon as you see a mail, respond accordingly.
yes, ma'am. I respond.
You're getting marks for every body language, for your smiles, for your facial expressions. All this is being recorded, right? The next question,
Yes, ma'am.
think and answer. Do you find it easy to stay relaxed, calm, composed, even when there is some kind of pressure?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I didn't understand what are you saying,
Okay, okay,
ma'am.
okay. Do you find it easy to stay relaxed, stay calm, stay cool, stay composed, even when there is pressure building up, even when there is some pressure?
No, ma'am. That I am not actually, ma'am. Clam,
Calm.
clam.
I calm.
Yes, ma'am. Calm. That
Calm.
I am not calm because the pressures are coming, and that times I'm not that times I'm not feel much more much more relaxed, because the overloaded workings are coming, so overloaded work are coming, so that times I'm not feel relaxed, so work in a calm way.
Okay, that's okay. So whatever the work is, whatever the pressure is, there's a saying: a person who is um, happy people are productive, whatever pressures they are that they may be having. So, in other words, you cannot handle pressure, isn't it? You cannot work under pressure. You need to be
Yes,
relaxed, calm, cool, given space. You do not like people to giving you deadlines. I want this by 4:30 today. So then the pressure builds on, right? So you're not able to handle pressure. You need to work on this. Patience. If you do not have if you cannot handle pressure, it means you're lacking somewhere in patience. Okay, I asked you the 2 questions. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Good answers.
Thank you, ma'am.
And now we have Pratik Mohan.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yeah, Pratik. Your question is, do you usually initiate a conversation?
Ma'am, sometime I used to initiate, but
No,
most of
not
the time I
sometimes.
don't use.
No, not sometimes. Give me, do you initiate or not?
No,
I
ma'am,
did not, but
I
I did
don't
not say.
initiate.
Okay, so that is the answer. So the reason being, I told you this is an open-ended questions. So yes, no will not be sufficient. So you don't normally initiate. You wait for other people to talk to you,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. Why? The reason being?
I'm kind of introvert and I don't like expressing myself usually and randomly, like from any. If I met someone, it is not necessary for me to interact with him or start a conversation immediately, or like it is necessary for me to start a conversation.
But Pratik, have you always been like this?
Yes, ma'am.
You've never worked
Since my
on it.
childhood,
In my
I
childhood, in
am
your
like this.
childhood, you were there, and school teachers in school did not ask you to develop this skill like this, of interpersonal communication. Like, did you get along well with the students in your class, with your classmates?
Ma'am, teachers used to complain about these.
Teachers complained about this. No? So yeah, I'm not complaining. I won't be complaining, but then you need to develop this because when you'll be working, you need to. You are the if you are in the top line, you will be needing to converse, to initiate, to give delegate, to plan, to implement, and you'll be just sitting. Somebody will come. I'll tell them. Otherwise, you'll be sitting there. Okay, you're sitting in your cabin, nice and comfortable. The AC is on, everything is in perfect condition. You had your lunch, and you have loads of work to delegate to people. And what you'll do, you'll just sit, relax, waiting for people to come. Okay, Mr. XYZ will come. I'll tell him to do this, right? So, do you think what are the disadvantages of people who do not initiate?
Ma'am, they miss opportunities and they don't get a chance to be in the front row.
Yeah, they miss
They
out
lack
that. The
performance,
most
ma'am.
important thing, they miss out the to be in the front line.
Yes, ma'am.
They miss out that. They do not take challenges. They will do as told, but they will not ask, yes, what?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
can I do it? So don't you think it's high time you worked on it? Take
I'm trying
initiatives.
hard to.
Because see, from school to college, and you're the same. From school to college, you are sailing in the same boat. Pratik is not going to initiate. He'll just be sitting quiet. Somebody will tell him to do, he'll do it. Otherwise, he'll just sit quiet. No work. No one told me, so I'm just sitting. So it's high time now that you initiated, and
Yes,
people
ma'am.
who are because you would not be working alone. You would be working with a lot of people in the in an organization, and if you are the in the top line, you will be needing to communicate immensely or see how people are getting feedback, giving feedback. All this is important. Pratik, where are you?
Ma'am.
Yeah. So work on this skill, take initiatives, start a conversation. If you have no one to talk to your friends, call up, discuss something.
Ma'am, I'm working on this.
Call me up. Ask me a question right now.
I'm right now.
Yeah, right now. Ask me a question.
Ma'am, how was your day?
Today,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, my day was pretty hectic. Classes started at 9 o'clock. So taking classes, managing students, assessments, marques, planning for the bridge class, how to go about it. When we work under a lot of pressures, but this has become a habit. Do this, do that, and the other. Take this class, take that class. The market should not be missed out. Everything has to be streamlined. Everything has to be proper, and it becomes a habit. So since I am a person who will reach out, go out to people and speak to them, so a people person like I like being with people, and so I reach out, I initiate, I talk. Even if somebody is keeping a low profile, doesn't talk. Any newcomer, Sanjana Sinha will be the first person. Yeah, how are you? Where are you from? Who are they in your family? So I initiate a conversation. Maybe people might take me for a gossip monger. She's all the time talking. Yeah, but sometimes I get knockings like talk a little quietly because we are always initiating and talking. And being a teacher, like we have to speak all the time. 24/7 we are speaking. So it has become a habit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So Pratik, you knew your drawback and you know how to work on it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you ask me, if you will ask me, how did you know that I had to answer this question? This was my problem, isn't it? Wasn't this your problem, Pratik?
I'm repeat.
Wasn't your problem? You do not take initiative, so I framed a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because we know our students too well. We know our students through and through. 3 years is a lot of time. And now we have Toshi.
Thank you,
Otherwise,
ma'am.
so far so good. Your confidence was good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Identifying your weakness is also something very good. Being honest. Yeah, Toshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions for me? Okay. So you don't have any questions for me, right? So, okay. My question for you is
Ma'am, what are you asking? I'm not getting your voice properly.
okay. I asked you. Do you have any questions for me?
Uh, no, ma'am, not at all.
All right. Toshi, do you rarely do something just out of sheer curiosity? Just for the sake of knowing something. You're curious, you do it.
Yes, ma'am, I'm really very curious. When
No.
I see something,
Rarely, hardly ever. You hardly ever do things only because of curiosity.
no, I'm not hardly. I'm habitual of doing this. Because whenever I see something and I don't know, I'm not having knowledge regarding that, then I used to go through it. I search it on Google and always try to find it and try to get knowledge out of it.
There's a proverb, Toshi. Curiosity killed the cat. What do you have to say to that?
No, ma'am, I don't think curiosity always kill because sometimes curiosity is quite positive because it will.
Curiosity has to be positive because it adds on. It creates knowledge. It adds on to your creativity. It adds
Yes, ma'am.
knowledge to you. Because if you're not curious, uh, don't you see how young children they ask so many questions? Why this?
Yes,
Why that? Why not this? Why this glass is like this? Why it is so big? Why isn't it is small? So they are so curious about things and they learn a lot of things. You need to be curious. Good.
yes, ma'am.
Toshi, now a question which can start you, which can which you can feel like whether to answer this or not. But people are asking all kinds of questions. So am I. So, do you feel superior to other people?
No, ma'am, not at all. Why should I feel superior? Yeah, I feel when someone appreciate me, I feel good, but I don't feel superior. I feel it good that someone is appreciating me. It will let me do more good work, but it will never. It is not like that. I feel so much pride and I think that I am superior and good more than everyone.
Okay, then when the question arises, how do you think you're the best person for this post? How will you answer this question? You are the best person for this job.
Ma'am, which type of job is this?
Any kind of job which you are aspiring for. So,
Ma'am,
why do you think that you are the best person?
ma'am, suppose I'll take this as a marketing position. Okay.
So you will have to convince me that you are better than the others.
Okay. Ma'am,
That
I'm having
you are superior than other people. If others are on scale 70, you are on 90. So this will prove that yes, you find yourself superior to others, and you should, because you have worked yourself, you have worked harder than the others. You put in time, you invested time, your curiosity, your attitude to learn, to develop your skill set. So naturally, if I've done a lot of work, if I've worked morning to night, if 24/7 something is on my mind, naturally I'll feel yes, I'm better off. And why shouldn't I think? Right, Toshi? You invested time, you attended almost all the classes that I know. So why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't anybody say yes? I have earned my reputation, and I've earned this feeling that if you do not say that I'm good, the HR will never say you're good. This feeling has to be inside. Yeah, I'm better than the others. Why? Because I've invested so much of time. I have learned. I've participated. I am receptive.
ma'am, but
I have
ma'am,
burned the midnight oil. I have left no stone unturned to improve myself. Definitely, we feel yes, I am superior to others. I feel because I've earned it, because I've developed it, and I will not let it go in vain. That is why the HRs ask you, why do you think that you are better than the others? Why do you think you are the best person suitable for this job? Right? You will have to explain. I have done this.
yes,
I have done that. I've done that. Right? So this is not
yes,
a question. Are you superior than others? No. The question behind is why should I hire you?
ma'am, being better than other is good, but having a arrogance and thinking that you
No,
are
no.
best.
Here we are not talking about arrogance. Here we are talking about the HR, the question that the HRs put almost everyone. Why should I hire you? And why do you think you are best among these 25 people who are given the interview? So you have to prove it. How you are the best because of your investment in your knowledge, your skill development, your personality development, right? You have burned the midnight oil, right? Burn the candles both ways. Went without sleeping with a dream that would not let you sleep. कोशिश से बोलना पड़ेगा ना आपको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा yes I feel I'm superior because of certain things. Though I am a person with um, who is amiable, who is friendly, but then there are some things which I do which makes me different. So what things this also answers the question, what makes you unique?
Yes, ma'am. This is what I'm saying. I'm unique than others. But telling everyone that I am better than yourself is
Not everyone.
is like.
You're telling the HR you're aspiring for this job. You're not.
Ma'am, I thought you are asking that here. there are lots of students and you're asking why I am better. So it will show like
No,
I'm
no, no,
criticizing
no.
others.
No. Not you. You are in a closed room with the HR. You're aspiring for this job, this lucrative job. Everybody is eyeing on. So naturally, you're going to sell yourself smart. You will be.
Yes, ma'am.
You prove yourself that yes, you've got something which you can bank on, which can take you forward, and you worked hard for it. So why not flaunt it? Show it. And interviews, you show off. You show your skills. You show your communication skills, right? Plus
Yes.
proving it all. Let your content be rich. Did I ask you the two questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I have Abhishek. Abhishek, and I do not see anybody else. I see
Yes, ma'am.
Karan Dubey. I see people who I do not see. I will not include them today. Not conclude. I will not include them today. So yeah, Abhishek.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. I have asked a lot of questions to your students. Is there any question which you would like to answer, or should I ask you a new question?
Ma'am, you can ask me a new question.
Any question? Do you feel being organized is more important to you than being adaptable? Organized is important or adaptable?
Ma'am,
Think before you answer this question. Are you organized or are you adaptable?
ma'am, I think I'm adaptable, not unorganized, because I think I just adapt according to according to the
Very
situation.
good. You adapt according to the situation. Even if I'm organized, okay, I get up at 5, I will get up at 5. But if the situation arises, I can get up at 3 also.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you adapt to the situation. Many people get confused with this question. They say, "Yeah, I'm organized," but
No, ma'am, I'm not
they get it,
organized
they get
because
it.
I'm not. Yes, ma'am, because I'm not ready for every situation, so I have to adapt the
You
situation. And
have to adaptable. You have
yes,
to
ma'am.
troubleshoot. You have to adapt. You have to be with the group, by the group, for the group. So the question is here that okay, organize is okay, but a person who is adaptable will be organized wherever he goes or in
Yes,
any
ma'am.
group that he works. Isn't it? Very good. The next question is again think. These are very these questions will send you to thinking. Winning a
Okay, ma'am.
debate matters less to you. Winning a debate, especially a debate. Winning a debate matters less to you than making sure no one gets upset. So you know what happens in debates? The
Ma'am, can
pros
you
and the
repeat the
cons.
second part?
I'm repeating it again.
Yes, ma'am.
Winning a debate matters less to you. Winning matters less to you than making sure nobody gets upset.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Would you
I think
rather win by upsetting people?
no, ma'am. I don't think that the proper way or the correct way to win the debate. For me, ma'am, winning the is not important.
So you are on the podium and it all set on the spotlight is in you, and the winning is not that important. Otherwise,
Yes, ma'am.
the most important thing in your life is to um, not to upset people.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Ma'am,
are you of the
by
partner?
upsetting someone, you can, ma'am, the winning position by upsetting someone is not good. I think that will not give me happiness at that time.
Okay. Otherwise, in interpersonal communication, will you think about yourself or will you think about the group? Here,
Ma'am,
we are
ma'am,
talking about interpersonal communication and
yes,
group
ma'am.
work. So there's nothing personal. But then yesterday we also discussed that a person who is of this personality, the partner personality, they should have some space for themselves also. They
Yes,
should
ma'am.
they should think for themselves also. So do not be a people person all your life. Do not go
Yes, ma'am.
on charity, winning. हार जाते हैं दोस्त है क्या बात है हम चलो आंसर नहीं देते उसको जीत जाने दो.
No, ma'am.
It's good to be in a this
Ma'am,
personality
sometimes
type,
winning is good, ma'am, but not every time. Like
but
at
not all
some
the time.
position, I think making someone happy is more than winning.
Exactly. But then the flip side is that it should not be always,
Yes, ma'am, that's not so good.
because then you're going to damage your conscience.
Yes, ma'am, that can
Right?
affect my
That can
career.
affect your conscience. That can
Yes,
be
ma'am.
damaging also. All right. Very good, Abhishek.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
ma'am.
And now we have Karan Dubey. And we are
Yes,
including
ma'am.
Karan Dubey today.
Yes, ma'am.
And we'll close the session. Right. Karan,
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, Karan, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. And you, ma'am?
I'm good. So, Karan, will you be answering the question which I asked people, or will you be looking for a new question? Karan, do you consider yourself more practical than creative?
Yes, ma'am. Because I am doing anything practically. Set of mind and best, yeah, doing best performance and well and um, yes, ma'am. I am doing well and
Okay, you're doing well, but what is more important, being practical or being creative?
ma'am, being practical, ma'am, more important than creative.
Okay, creativity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, being practical is very important.
Because ma'am, practical uh, practical give some knowledge to uh, to do better. mm,
No, you are creative and you are practical also. But do you consider more creative or more practical? As you said, I consider myself to be more practical. Why?
yes, ma'am.
Why?
More because ma'am, more practical given me more knowledge.
Gives
Ma'am,
you more knowledge, and
yes,
if you're
ma'am.
practical, people will know you better.
Yes, ma'am.
People will know you
Ki-
better because you will reach out to people. You are a practical person. When somebody comes, you stand up and go and wish.
yes, ma'am.
So practically, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Creative, ma'am, means that ki already have making, and ma'am, practical not making, uh, practical doing work and
Okay, good.
sorry, ma'am.
Okay, that's okay. It is often difficult for you to relate to other people's feelings. How responsive are you? Do you relate to other people's feelings because you are very practical?
Um, ma'am, एक बार और ma'am
How
repeat.
well you understand other people's feelings? People in your family, people around you, your friends. Do you understand them? How well you know your people? Do you understand them?
Sorry.
Is it difficult for you to understand the other people's feelings?
Yes, ma'am. Difficult. Yes, ma'am. I'm not about very much about people. What is he
Yes,
and
this
she?
is because you are practical, no? A practical person will say just hi, hello, sab theek hai, हाँ चलो ठीक है आगे. But the
Yes, ma'am.
creative person will sit and think and find out क्या ठीक है तो क्या अच्छा है, क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्या सबसे अच्छा हो रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when you become very practical, you miss out on you you do not relate with other people's feelings.
Yes, ma'am.
Try not to be that practical. Keep a balanced approach. Be practical. Be creative. Look at the good sides of practicality and creativity. Keep a balance.
Yes.
That's all for today. And yeah, the questions were.
Thank you, ma'am.
You will give me the feedback. What's your feedback? So I will include others in the next class. Yes, what's your feedback?
Questions were good. They were related to our real life.
Yes, Shivangi.
That will helps in our interview also, and how to know, in fact, increase your knowledge
So
also, ma'am.
these questions, the interviewer will try to find out your personality type, your character, whether you will be required in this company or not.
In fact, they
What
also
kind of a
find a
person?
loopholes, ma'am.
Yes, your answers will give the cues, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why I said work on these things, right? Work on
Yes.
these things so that everything becomes crystal clear. And
Yes.
I was happy that you came out. You all faced the interview, though you were not aware of what am I going to ask. So that's good. We will have more of such sessions in the days to come, because these things are really going to help you a great deal. You could have asked me the same questions. I was looking for somebody who will ask me the same question, see how I answer. Always, I'm giving you a secret. When I ask you a question, you can ask me back the same question just to see how Sanjana ma'am would answer this question. And this will also help you to learn more and more. This will broaden your horizon also.
Ma'am, we will try in next class.
Yeah, the rest of the people will be interviewed in the next class, because I have a class coming up and I have taken your attendance in the screenshot. So take care,
मैम
everybody.
अभिषेक चला गया है क्योंकि उसकी बैटरी खत्म हो गई थी मोबाइल की.
That's okay. Okay. I have taken the screenshot when you all were there.
Okay.